Welcome back to another video. In today's video, we're going to be making this amazing Jamaican snack that we call Grater cake. I'm looking forward to hear all the other names from my fellow Caribbean countries. So go ahead and remove the coconut water. It's so delicious, so why not? And then I'm going to go ahead and crack this up. Cracking it in my hand will only result in hurting my shoulder, so what I do is I put it in a bag, bring it outside and knock it on the concrete until it's broken up like this. So now I'm gonna go ahead and remove the meat. We call the inside the flesh or the coconut meat, and please don't use a knife like that, which is very pointed. So my mother came to the rescue. She helped me finish grating the coconut and the nutmeg. I have a really bad shoulder, so yeah. Now we're going to go ahead, add the spices. We're going to add some nutmeg, vanilla, and ginger, grated ginger, and we're also going to add some cinnamon. We're going to mix all of this together, and what my mother normally do is just go ahead, add the sugar, mix up everything, and then add it to the heated pot. But this coconut was a bit trashy, so she added a quarter cup of water, then add the sugar, allow the sugar to melt, and then as soon as it starts melting, you just go ahead and add the coconut. And this is a really sweet treat, so if you can't consume sugar, then this is not for you, but I appreciate you for watching anyways. All right, this needs sugar for it to stick and for it to hold together, so hence you're gonna need sugar in this recipe. There's no way of making it without sugar. All right, so normally we just go outside, grab a piece of banana leaf, crawl it, and then we're gonna go and add a tester to see if it's ready. But once you see the sugar starts to dry up on the side of the pot, you know that it's about time. As you can see, all the liquid has reduced. I'm going to go ahead and shape it into a square so that I can cut it up in small squares. You don't have to do this. You can just do it the authentic way by just grabbing a spoon, take some up and drop it on your banana leaf or your parchment paper, whichever one you'll be using. Now, if you want your kids to consume this in moderation, you can go ahead and cut it up in small pieces, in just some little small squares, even smaller than what I make here. And this doesn't take a very long time to dry, and as you can see, even though it's dried, the inside is still moist, and this is exactly the way that I like it. I don't like when it's dry all the way through. All right, I need a little moisture in the middle for me to chew on. And yes, there's another way that you can make this as well. You can remove the brown part of the coconut, grate it, and most people just go ahead and add some red food coloring to make it look pretty. All right, try it any way you wish. It's still Grater cake or whatever you call it in your country. To my Facebook friends and family, thank you so much for helping me to reach 100K. I really appreciate the love and support. Stay safe, show some love, and I hope to see you in the comments.